Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I wanted to do a quick update on Jasmy. I mean, I haven't covered it in not some time. I mean, I covered it on Thursday. All right, just wanted to do an update on that. I know that there's a significant Jasmy community around the channel. Personally, I follow Jasmy a lot as well, so I just thought it would be interesting. The market structure is interesting. Well, all in all, many interesting things to talk about. All right, so let's get right into it. Jasmy itself, like, what is important to know is that the markets right now are pretty weak. Overall, I mean, Bitcoin, if you zoom out, it's obviously very strong, right? I mean, there's nothing bearish about Bitcoin if you look at this. But what is happening is that it seems like the Bitcoin dominance has found some strong support. And if the Bitcoin dominance finds support and Bitcoin starts falling down a little bit, that has pretty big effects on altcoins like Jasmy. All right, because even like Jasmy moves on its own, but overall, especially when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, most altcoins are just correlated to Bitcoin, such as you can also see with Jasmy. It's 0.87, the correlation. So Jasmy on its own was very bullish right here when it broke above this main resistance level at 0.6 cents. So that's great. But since then, it has lost a lot of momentum. So I want to be bullish on Jasmy. I really want to be bullish on Jasmy. I think the community is great and it deserves a move at least up to, well, let's say this price target, which has been my price target for a while, at 0.68 and 0.7 cents. But I'm not sure if that is most likely anymore. All right, like for that to happen, I would say that Jasmy needs to hold 0.6, or at least at this level right here between 0.6 and 0.59 cents today, and then get some sort of a bullish breakout above this level right here at around 0.64 and 0.63 cents. That's the only way it could still get there, because what's not working for Jasmy is the fact that it's losing open interest and therefore losing momentum like this. While on the other hand, Bitcoin, and you can see it on the 15-minute time frame, on the other hand, Bitcoin is finding quite a lot of resistance here. So that is the thing I'm worried about. So yeah, it's difficult to say what's most likely. I mean, I think it's most likely that Jasmy eventually will still hit 0.68 and 0.7 cents, perhaps with a bit of a drop first, right? So that it drops down towards 0.55 or 56 cents first, consolidates, and then eventually breaks above 0.6 cents again, and then rallies up there. I think that is most likely. I mean, we're just not getting enough bullish momentum from this major support level at 0.6 cents from Jasmy, and that's in combination with it losing momentum and with the market being relatively bearish, just leads me to believe that it's most likely we'll get a bit of a pullback first. And then if Bitcoin really pulls back, so if it drops down to 42,000, for example, then Jasmy will just fall back down all the way to 0.52 and 0.5, right back in this consolidation. I still think eventually after dropping down, Jasmy will still break above 0.6 cents and get up to that price target. It's just not now. I think now it's way more likely to get somewhat of a pullback, maybe down to 0.56 cents if Bitcoin holds 43,200, probably down lower. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all in my next videos.